Hey everybody,
Testing one,
it's
two, test,
Brian
test.
here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you our Razor SQL, which is connecting into a Postgres database, which I've shown before. I've created a new table in my little test schema called watchlist. These are all the fields or the columns. And this new table for my watch list contains things like my long symbol, my short symbol, when I go into entry, which is money, then it calculates a spread, and over might be a percentage. These are current, and then these are the current spread measured over a 8-week period. Okay, so that's what I have in the database, and to do a query, you just come under a query builder. Let me just see if I can. There's somewhere in here. Yeah, there it is. Query builder. So this is pretty cool. That's why I like our Razor SQL. So I'm just doing a select just to test it out. You can generate your SQL, execute your SQL. So in this case, you see I've got a test test row in there already. Everything seems to be working. Doesn't need to be efficient database. Just as long as it gets working, and of course I can connect into my MATLAB with it. I'll show you that in a second. But here's the SQL statements. This right here is the statement to create the table. This is the query statement for an SQL. Now my MATLAB, again using the Database Explorer app, I connect into my Postgres. I pick off my test schema. Here's my watch list table, and as you can see, I'm able to connect into it and do a query. Now I've shown this before. Beautiful thing I love about MATLAB, any person that's, I'm just going to call this what do I call it, watch list, I don't know, watch list info. Okay, so there's my results, so I can turn that into a cell array. I think I'll stick with that. Import it. Not only can I import it, I want to generate the script for it. There's a script for that query. Also creates the what do you call it? The cell as well from the query. Check it out. Where's my database Explorer? So back to my Explorer here. So if I go import now remember I can also generate the SQL from it as well. Don't need right now. If I import, there's my data at query, and here's the results. Pretty cool, eh? Now, let's just say as I've been learning this, I'm going to go back to my Explorer. Now, there's something even better. I'm going to create a table, okay? So instead of going to a structure or a cell array, I'm going to create a table now. So I'm going to do, let me just get rid of that entitled query script. And now what I'm going to do is going to go back to my, where is my app? There we are. Do another import, but again, it's creating a table this time. So what I want you to watch is going to import. So it's created this new table called watch list. Here's a cool thing. The table, it also includes in the column header the name of the fields or the name of the columns from the database, as in here. That's the these are the database table columns, and it's simple as that. Now once again, let me just create a new script for that, new MATLAB script. So in this case, we are calling it watch list, but this case it's actually a table. Okay, so if I run this, okay, I don't know, call it watch list to Excel. That's what I want to show you. Okay, so now I can create an Excel spreadsheet here. I can't even remember the command. Let me just see what we got here. I love MATLAB. I'll just show you what I'm doing on the fly. So I'm going to call it MATLAB table to Excel. So we want to write the table to an Excel spreadsheet. Now this is cool. You come under the examples here. Let's see, where are we looking at? Where's my examples? The examples are here. So that's what we want. And voila, there's our file. Done. Pretty simple, eh? Hopefully you like that. Just wanted to show you how easy it is. Talk to you later.